What's up everyone, to another video, Full Speed Impulse, and today with the XR100 doing some tank repair. You know, we're being a little cheap. We got a lot of projects going on, and we're going to try to repair this tank before we go buy a brand new one. And I'm not going to be honest with you guys, I'm not quite done with this XR100. I want to rip it some more. We're going to see what we do next with this bike. But either way, we have Quiksteel plastic tank repair kit. Make sure you get the plastic tank and you don't get the one for the metal tank, because that ain't gonna work. Here's what we got going on. We went in the shed, grabbed our bike for our Windrock trip, and we noticed that our sticker was looking all a little bubbly. And sure enough, got a couple nice cracks right here. And I tell you what, boys, sure definitely, I don't know. We're gonna try to repair it, see what happens, but I don't have a lot of faith. And this feels temporary. I feel like this is just gonna get me out on the trail, and I'm gonna lay the bike over, and this whole side's gonna just blow out on me. But we're gonna give it a shot. Everything else seems pretty good. It's just this area here where there's a high flex rate. So we're gonna repair this and see what happens. First things first, gotta get the sandpaper like it says, clean up this area, and then we're gonna degrease it with some swab stuff that they have, and we're gonna see if this thing will hold fuel. What's the cure time on this thing? 1 hour. Holy cow. Set it up underwater. Oh man, we go underwater and fix this thing. Cure color off-white. Perfect. All right, so what they tell you to do is take off whatever amount of the stick here of that stuff. And you're supposed to, you say, like, knead it, which is pretty much this stuff here. I don't know if you're actually supposed to be doing it with your hands, but pretty sure it's fine. They say you should keep doing it until it almost feels warm to the touch. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. But you're also supposed to keep mixing it until it turns a consistent off-white, which I'm pretty sure we're there, because I don't see anything. Because if you look in here, it actually has like a little, like a 2-mix setup here. I think we mixed a lot, but we didn't want to go light. We got a little putty knife here. I only know, guys. This is wild. There's no way. That's like way too much. There's where our other crack is. We gotta make sure we. We didn't. Okay, we went crazy overboard. I know. It's way too much. But not first time here, guys. Doing this stuff. Holy cow. We just made a half a gas tank. Do you remember where that leak was at? Was it like right here, right? I need to take some of this off. This is too much. I'll be standing for days. Okay, I can start to see the spiders there. Okay, we know it wasn't this high. Let's take that off. That up there. There we go. I think getting a little bit closer. So we're just gonna do this right here. Make sure it's pressed in there good. And then we're gonna let this set and cure, and then we can sand it so it's not so horrible, and then probably put some sticker over it. All right, guys. So I don't know if we goofed up with this stuff, but it was like really thick. But I guess maybe that's how it's supposed to be. It says it's sandable and all that. But when we were sanding it, I don't know if it's because it's too thick, but we started sanding, and it we used our electric sander. It started taking like chunks out, so we kind of stopped. But, yep, right there. That's the leak. Hey guys, I just want to add this little clip in here at the end. We ended up coming back to XR100, and we threw another patch on there. Not making it look pretty, patched it up, got it to hold fuel and not leak. So, wrapping this video up now is that it's good for probably a temporary fix. I wouldn't go long-term on that, but I get the deal. If you were to be, if it's your only bike and your trip's coming up and you got to make something work, that might be it. And I would just buy an extra one with you and bring it just in case when you get out there. It only takes about a 1 hour to cure, give or take, especially if you're probably patching over. And it could definitely help you get through your ride for the weekend. We are going to buy a new tank for this bike, which we'll also be doing a video on. So until we get that new tank in, I appreciate you, and you guys know the deal. Until next time, we'll see you later.